This is it. Not much to it.
And you know what? That's it.
$60 on eBay, Amazon. And this is all it is. Just slide it on there and tighten this up. That's it.
Righty tighty.
So it's on there. Took like 2 minutes. Looks better than the stock. Watch out, Eli. Back up, back up, back up. Alright, turn it on. Let's see what it sounds like.
I have to hold it?
Yeah, till it starts.